Yo, what's up, Jamaica? It's your street reporter. Echo, straight from the heart of the streets. Bringing you the artists. Realest, breaking news right now. Listen up. Your big news. Westmoreland businessman snatched. Whole heap attention in Darliston, Westmoreland this morning. Armed men pull up and abduct one local businessman right from him shop. You hear that? Broad daylight. The whole community shook. Police locking deep investigation right now. Westmoreland stay vigilant. Echo up on the ground. Young boy missing after every rearns. Miss a real boy. Heartbreaking Westmoreland big search today for little Desroy Smith Jr, 11 years old, who get washed away in the Drain Monday rescue cruise out. The whole parish pray in Jamaica. Lift him up in your prayers. Short time for smarter crime fighting. Jamaica people fed up. Them tired of the brute force policing. The streets are called for more training, real investigation, and respect for community life. Echo agree. Time for modern policing for the people, by the people. Salute to a legend, Shelly-Ann's last lap. Big up the sprint queen, Shelly-Ann Fraser Price. She just dropped the bombshell. This weekend at the National Senior Chance will be our last race on Jamaican soil. Pure love, pure respect to a national treasure. The streets are celebrate your Shelly. Reggae boys must win. Football fans, the Reggae boys clash with Panama 6 p.m. today in the Gold Cup. You hear me? It's win or pack up. Echo say, make we support the boys strong. This is crunch time. Good vibes. Downtown Kingston getting fresh. Big up Bank of Jamaica for shelling out 15 mil for public art downtown. Artists of cultural wealth. Mural now shine pan Duke Street. Brightening the place. Lead with the people. Echo love type of energy. My name Echo. Straight on the streets. Delivering the real thing. Stay safe. Stay sharp and remember, Echo always have your back with the news when matter. More updates soon. Echo out. So what's the Jamaica Observer and the Jamaica Gleaner?